Siyadansa, siyacula, kuba mnandi, siyaphuza amabhuku, sidla ama-fruits.
Yes. Ufuna kungedwe thini?
Ngoba ngiyathanda ukurida.
Yes.
I get more knowledge.
Yeah.
And ngiyakhona ukudlala nabantwana and I get some more exercise. Enjoy la gqoka red khona.
Okay, Valentine.
Yes.
Okay. Uthanda the color red.
Yes.
Okay, wena sesana?
Mina ngathanda ukuthi like kube mnandi, sithenge ama-paint.
Okay, that's a color walk. So you love the color walk.
Yes.
You love Valentine.
To work fundraiser meaning enjoy it. Enjoy to work fundraiser. I enjoyed Gucci fundraiser. Si fundraiser imali siyayisave. We don't waste the money. We save the money for idingo tethu letovela. So we use that money and then ngifunze nokuthi imali uyayisave to fundraising siyayibeka asimoshi. Ngifunze ngokuthi ma unabela something and uyazi ukuthi awunamali ungaze ukhathateke khona indolo tohlangana nayo sebayakunika.
Sanibonani ndabukeli emakhaya. This is Lawful Walkers podcast and of course this is your host Rebecca Mdlili. Angihambi yedwa ke namuhla ngihamba ne-co-host yami Thobeka usisi waseGermany. Ngicela to introduce
Sanibonani guys, azishile ngimthobeka wakaHadebe usiswathi Germany ugirl ongeza onganiphoqanga uye overseas kuthi representa nine
nazo. So my beautiful people, today see podcast alive and Nelspruit lapha ke ngasejele. Now namuhla sinilethela ikhidiyo phela yeteam sishobona bodwinkiliza beteam sifuna kwathi ukuthi how are they finding Lawful Workers, yini lebenda ukuthi bangakhathali kuvuka ekseni. Namhla ntobe nginiphethe hlelo nandalo Hadebe, ngifuna kwathi ke ukuthi le double yami ifinder injani Lawful Workers.
Okay, thina sohamba solanza Zano naye kwandisile Mashaba lapho Zano wakanguni sobabuta ukuthi iLawful Workers ibaphethe njani, bafila njani ukuthi nje lelithando lelikhona kaLawful Workers ilihamba njani. Siyabonga.
Ake let us meet the beautiful kids. Okay, my beautiful people, like I said to you, namuhla ngilanza ikhidiyo phela iLawful Workers. Ngikhuluma bani mangakhuluma ngaye hlelo nandalo. I-2-in-1 ngishaya ngekhombo ke namuhla and siphethe ama-stock street trash. Sanibonani ndithanda tam.
Hello.
Ninjani bamayidali?
Siyaphila.
Ndalo, where's your mic? All right, my baby. No, I have to check. I'm dealing with the kid right now. Yeah, understand? Sanadam, nigahle.
It's right.
Are you happy today?
Yes.
Ngitsheleni ke angiqale ngawe hlelo. Ngicela ungitshelele babukeli bethu emakhaya ukuthi ngubani hlelo ufunza kuphi wenda grade bani.
Okay, mina igama lami ngimhlelo. Ngina 11 eminyaka. Funza eVictory Park. Primary school. Guys, I suggest ukuthi bojoyine abaLawful Workers.
Guys, ake ngok bantwana bami.
Yes.
Ndalo my baby.
Yes.
Zikuwe manje. Tell bantu ukuthi who is Ndalo?
Igama lami ngimdalo. Ngina 11. Ngifunza eVictory Park Primary School, funza grade 6.
Guys, they are twins. Like I said, ngishaya nge-2-in-1. I understand ake ngok. So my babies, tell me. Nifika nini kaLawful Workers? Ngiyakhumbula?
Yes.
February.
February. Okay,
Yes.
nilethwa ngubani?
Mama.
Ngumama. Ngubani mama?
Mama. Isiphiwe.
Nisiphiwe.
Yes.
Okay, wakabani Siphiwe?
Akandinisa.
Wakandinisa. Siyabonga mama Siphiwe Shem ukusilethela the beautiful angels lightning. So ngitsheleni asiqale kuphi? Asiqale ngala. Ngitshele sithandwa sami. Uthandani ngelo field workers? Indlela kwenta uvuke ekuseni ngo-4 or uvuka ngo-3. Tshele ukuthi uvuka sikhathini nakulo field workers and why uqhubeka uvuka kangaka ude kulo field workers?
Okay. Ngithanda exercise. Angithandi ukuthi ngihlale endlini. Ngifuna ukuthi ngibe ne-energy yabo.
Yeah.
Futhi ngithanda ngokuthi nebantu laba right like kumnandi.
Yes, yes, yes. Uhappy. Hayi ke sita kuwe ndalo. Tshela anti ukuthi indlela evuse ekuseni uze udeka lo field workers. Kanjani?
Ngikuthanda ngoba kunebantu laba motivatanako
Okay.
and nebantu laba friendly, laba kind. Labanye bafuna ukuthi you do more and nalokuthi bantu nje
Yeah.
they have that thing, you know, like
Their happiness.
yes.
Yeah. Uthanda that thing.
Yes.
Hayi ke niyabeza ke bodintiliza bami ukuthi bathanda that thing lo field workers ukuthi bantu ba happy ka lo field workers. So ngitsheleni ke ngitshela nge-library. What is it that you guys love nge-library? Angicale la kuni. And you know what a point 10 angithi 2.5. Yini emnandi lapha ya?
Siyadansa, siyacula, kuba mnandi, safunda amabhuku, sidla ama-fruits.
Yes. Ufuna kungedwe thini?
Ngoba ngiyathanda ukureada.
Yes.
I get more knowledge.
Yeah.
And ngiyakhona ukudlala nabantwana and I get some more exercise.
Ngiyakuva sithandwa sami, ngikuva kakhulu bantwana bami. I'm so happy that you all guys enjoy ilo field workers and you also enjoy i-library. So ke la ekhaya bo babies niyathi ukuthi ukonje nina nijoyine lo February yena lo.
Yes.
Okay. Obathi sinama-walk lamaningi lahlukahlukene sibe sinama-walk wamakhala, sinama-walk cancer awareness gqoka pink. Ngiphi walk engingathi ngiyayithanda ngoba uyabona kunalesithelana khona ngamakhala-colors. Ngicabanga ukuthi nginga-enjoya yiphi mina as time goes.
Nga-enjoya la gqoka red khona.
Okay, ye-Valentine.
Yes.
Okay, uthanda the color red.
Yes.
Okay, wena sesana?
Mina ngathanda ukuthi like kube mnandi, sithenge ma-paint.
Okay, that's a color walk. So you love the color walk.
Yes.
You love Valentine. You love
Yes.
color walk. Really, guys. Bantwana bami, they love Valentine. They love color walk. They are so happy. They have just joined local workers for February, but already they are happy. They are finding themselves now local workers. So ke kimi nebantwana bami, I'm not gonna ask kakhulu ukuthi siyazi ukuthi bangobani labo drinkiliza bani. Mina nabo sivala lana sithi #don't promise
Commit.
You're feeling alive.
Hi guys, ezihlile sengibalandile lana uZamo futhi nokwandisile. So ngizobayekela ukuthi net bachaze kancane ukuthi ngubani, baqhamukaphi, bafunda like yabo. So sizoqala ngasesizano lana. Njalo sesizano
Ngiyaphila.
ngiyaphila ngicela uwatise labaye babukeli ukuthi webani wakuphi.
Ligama lami ngimzamo kuhlenga kaMnguni, ngifundza eTanzania Primary School grade 5. Ngihlala eMathulu. Ngifundza eTanzania ngihlala eMathulu.
Okay. Sesikwandisile.
Guys, my name is Kondisile Mashaba and I'm doing the 5th grade at Tanzania Primary School in Matulu. So today I'll describe myself. I am a learner at Tanzania Primary School in the 5th grade. Thank you.
Okay guys, ezingifile bantwana lana bengasibafunda bonke vele yabo laba komagcina sibam laba and ngibathanza. Okay, so guys ngicela ngitsheleni ukuthi ilo field workers nayijoyina nini, nijoyineleni, nifundzeni, nive ngabani. Okay.
Mina ngijoyine last week because mina ngatshelwa ngikwandise ukuthi banayo so ngathi nami ngicela kujoyina.
Okay. So ufundzeni ngalo photo cards?
Ngifunze ukuthi siya-exercise, siwalk-e, sesiya-read-a.
Okay. Yini lo yithandzile nje?
Ngithande uku-read-a because I love to read.
Okay. Cala kuva ngawe sisibambisile.
Okay, i-Lowfed Rockers ngijoyine 2023 ngo-February. So what I learned at Lowfed Rockers was ngifunde ukuthi ku-Lowfed Rockers siya-exercise, siya-walk-a, siba fit and healthy. We live a healthy lifestyle.
Yoni bavile abantu abezi guys. Bathi ilokho zokhasi bayithandzile yini. So kule walk le yoku-fundraiser like enjoye nje mani ningangitshela ukuthi yini nje le beyimnanzi ngayo namuhla nje.
Okay. Tukek fundraiser meaning enjoy tukek fundraiser. I enjoyed ukuthi fundraiser fundraiser imali siyayisave. We don't waste the money. We save the money for tidzingo tethu letovela. So we use that money and ngifunze nokuthi imali uyayisave tukek fundraising siyayibeka asimoshi.
Okay. Wena ungibone namuhla njengoba fundraiser.
Mina ngifunze ngokuthi ma unabela something and uyazi ukuthi awunamali ungaze ukhathateke khona into lotohlangana nayo sebayakunika.
Okay guys, bavile abantwana bathi i-fundraising bayi-enjoyile. So like ngikakubuza question yokugcina ne. If ngingathiwa nje invite labanye ngabatshela kuthini ngayi-describe nithi i-Lowfed Rockers ngabathini nje. Kuthiwa nje nibita labanye, recruiter labanye from other places. Nje banibude ukuthi i-Lowfed Rockers ingani ningathini?
Okay, mina ngaqala ngokuthi i-Lowfed Rockers is like a family, your own family, and Lowfed Rockers exercise, we live a healthy lifestyle. So if we exercise, we make our bodies healthy and we bond together with love. And we even do aerobics in the morning for yes. Okay, mina ngabatshela ukuthi ngabatshela ukuthi buyo siya-exercise, masithatha exercise bantwana bafika twenzo yabo nebantu abadala baqhubeke nefuthi siride, masithatha kurida siya-exercise siphinde sibuye.
Okay guys, nibavile abantwana bafika Lowfed Rockers siya-exercise, bayarida, bayajabula, bayajayiva. So wena why ungajoyini Lowfed Rockers? Kute naye mntwanakho lapho ezishilo sesiyayivala thina don't promise,
Commit.
Hashtag mind, body, and soul. Hashtag don't promise, commit. This is Mpumalanga finest walking team.
Hashtag more than just a walking team. This is Lowfed Rockers podcast, and of course, this is your host, Rebecca Mdluli, together with co-host Thobeka Ahadebe, signing out. Now, we will be seeing you guys this coming Saturday at 5:20 at Tegwane South. The aerobics will be starting, and at 5:30, the walk is starting. And this coming Saturday, we are saying stop child abuse, stop child exploitation. Together, as it is, stop sexual abuse kubantwana bethu, because they are a future yakusasa. Asihlanganeni ke ma-Afrika sibambisane sikhombise bantu ukuthi sithi thina asivumelana lokho kwenzeka kubantwana bethu. So let us come together this coming Saturday in the morning and remind people that we will fight for our kids. Stop the abuse of the children. Asibonane khona ke Saturday morning at Tegwane South. Ungabi late, buya nawe and uvakalise luvo lwakho.
We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we